Hello and welcome back. Let's make some delicious chocolate and mint cupcakes. So today I'm not going to use a stand mixer, I'm just going to use 2 bowls, and since it's an oil-based recipe, we're just going to mix everything together. It's as simple as that.
So in a medium or large bowl, add 1 cup of plain flour, 3/4 cup of caster sugar, 30 grams of cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of bicarb soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then sift through a sifter. Now just combine this mixture together before we move on to the wet ingredients. In a large bowl, crack 1 egg and just beat together gently before adding half a cup of buttermilk, half a cup of vegetable oil, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and then just gently mix this together until combined. Now add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix this together gently until just combined. Then add a 1/4 cup of chopped dark chocolate or chocolate chips.
And that's it, we've got our mixture all combined now. And now I'm just going to use 2 big spoons to scoop the mixture into the cupcake cases. So I've filled these cupcakes to about 2/3 to 3/4 of the way full, and now I'm just going to pop them in the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 18 minutes. Just keep an eye on them, and again just test with a skewer, and if it comes out clean, they're ready. So my cupcakes are now out of the oven, and they're looking and smelling delicious. They've cooled down, and I'm going to start with my mint buttercream.
In a stand mixer, add 150 grams of soft butter and beat this for a good 4 or 5 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. Make sure to scrape down the bowl to get any bits of butter that's sticking on the sides. Once it's nice and fluffy, add 340 grams or 2.5 cups of icing sugar in 2 parts. Once you've added the first part, add in about a teaspoon of vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of peppermint extract. The peppermint extract is very strong, and add as much as you would like. Then add your mixture to a piping bag, then pipe the mixture on top of the cooled cupcakes.
So I just piped the icing out just with a star-shaped end out of the piping bag, and yeah, looking amazing. I'm just going to top these with some, in Australia we have some mint chocolate biscuits which are delicious, so yeah. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys soon.